This is Ajit. I am here to give you a demonstration on this asset management tool which I have developed. Let's begin with login into the system. On the home page, you see some graphs and charts which give you a look on status of your assets. So for example, the first one is a pie chart that shows 19 of your assets are in use. These 3 are in repair and disposed, and these are the new assets. The more charts will come up as I go ahead with development. Let's explore the first option. You can upload the file which has the asset details. So just for demonstration, I've prepared this file with the 5 assets. The serial numbers are DES1, DES2, and it has a PO number, PO date, memory, hard disk, operating system, make, model, and other details. Let's go ahead and upload them. You see assets uploaded successfully. Let's check the other option wherein you can search the assets based on these criteria like PO date, invoice date. I'll just check which I uploaded just now through file. You can have a quick look from here. I click on this and I see the details. The remarks are uploaded from this file. It was desktop, new model, etc. Purchase details, configurations, attachments. As of now it doesn't have an attachment. You can click on this and add attachment and save. It will be saved. As of now it doesn't have a change history and it's not been assigned to any user as of yet. Let's go ahead and make some changes into this. So let's say I want to correct it. I add 123 to this just to have some change in this tag, and I save it. So this is now saved into the database. I can go ahead and check again. So you see this is the latest detail, and you can check in the change history that admin, which is my username, on this date and time I made a change. I click on this and I see that it was changed from S1 tag to S1 tag and 1 to 3. Alright, you can go ahead and add some files, the image file or any type of file. For example, I choose this and I click on save. This will be saved into database. So next time when you open that serial number, you can check that it has an attachment. You can click on this and a new tab will open with that image. Alright, so any change you make, uh, you can open this page, edit, and check the details. You can check the change history, you can check the user history. Let's go ahead and assign this asset to some user. So let's say I put the username as AV123 and username is Ajit and Ajit Kumar, and email ID is Ajit at the test.com. You can fill the details or you can leave them empty. Only the employee ID part is mandatory. You can click on attach. So saved successfully, mapped DS1 to AV123. Now you can check the current user is AV123. If you can refresh this page, you can check the user history that AV123 is assigned by admin on this time and date, and it is not been received by anyone. So the current status is assigned to this user. You can go ahead and you can click on this and you can see the details, the user of this asset. All right, so let's recover this asset from that user. So as of now it is with AV123. I go ahead and click on this and I just detach from this user. Saved successfully detached this asset from this username, and I close this. So when I click on this, I don't see any detail. That means it is not with any user. If I refresh it, henceforth it will see that AB123, it was assigned by this person on this date and time. It is received by me only. If there is some other user which is receiving it, it will have that detail. So it is received. Now you can attach it to some other user as well, and that will be reflected by here. So if I do it quickly, let's say AS1009, just any demo details, and I just attach it. It is attached to this. Now you can check on the details. It is with this, and if I detach it, you can refresh and check the user history, that by this time it was with this user and this user. You can see the change histories, you can see the attachments. So this is all about searching and editing the asset details. If you can put the remark also, it will be always reflected in the change history. Now, apart from this, since this serial was uploaded from the file, you can just go ahead and come to the same page to create a new asset. Like if you have couple of assets, one or two, and if you want to create them right from here, you can just fill these details and save. It will be created in the system. Okay. Uh, so we just uploaded a file that should be in a format which is this. You can download that template from here. You can just click on this and you can just download this template. You can fill this template with the details and upload it in here. Now let's explore the searching part little bit more. So I want to search all the asset which are of the type desktop, and it should be, let's say, in use, and I click on search. So I see here that 9 are the assets which have that particular detail, that they are in use and they are of type desktop. Okay, so you can use this search in page button to filter. For example, um, how many of them are that has an invoice number 25. So you can just quickly type the details and it will be filtered here. You can just type anything. For example, if you type how many of them are with Windows 8, so if you type Windows 8, you can just quickly filter this 10 rows. You can click any of them to check the details of them. For example, if you click this, you can you'll be coming to this page to check more details. Okay, so if I go back and let's say I have these 10 assets here, I want to download them. So you can just click on this download CSV, and this file will be downloaded in a CSV. See, this is the file. You can just open it in a default CSV viewer. I have this numbers app in Mac OS, so I just click on this and see whatever was on the user interface is on this CSV file. Likewise, you can download it in Excel format as well. Whatever the filter criteria you use here will be uh, displayed here. If let's make one more search. Let's say I want to find all the systems that are using Linux as the operating system. You can leave other criteria if they are not part of your search. You can just click on this and you will see that you have 10 assets which are using Linux operating system. So if you can go ahead and make more changes, for example, which are from HP brand, you can click on this and there is only one asset which is using HP and is of type Linux. So that way you can go ahead and download them. So this is all about this tool. As of now, I am still developing it. I'll be adding more features into this, like flexible and advanced search options. But as of now, that's pretty much enough to get started with the tool. So I'll just log out from here, and that's it. Thank you. Let me know if you can purchase this. If you want a demonstration on your site, you can always contact me on this email ID, gmail.com. All right. Thank you.